Good morning, everybody. Just want to do a quick review of yesterday's bias analysis on the ES. So if you recall, Wednesday's price action was quite bearish, quite significantly bearish, before reversing back to the upside during the overnight session. Throughout the Asia session as well as the London session, we just saw price heading northbound. The key area that I was looking out for was this 1 hour fair value gap, which was inverted and eventually formed the confirmation of a continuation of bullish sentiment for the day. So my plan, if you recall, was to look for long trades or long trading setup, which would involve price dipping back into this inverted fair value gap and look for bullish signatures that would allow me to take a long trade riding price to the upside. The targets to look out for was this session high plus this previous Asian session high. There's a swing low, a clear swing low here that price would look to target, as also on this particular swing low. So enough confluence and reasons for me to think that price will continue to head upwards. Now, you will notice that price did slightly retrace, but did not dip into the fair value gap. And for that very reason, I did not end up taking this trade. Hindsight is 2020, but at the end of the day, I do try to stick to my rules. Maybe if I would have gone to a 5-minute or a 1-minute chart, perhaps I could have seen some bullish signatures, but again, hindsight 2020. I do normally look for price to dip into this inverted fair value gap because it's an inefficiency that markets tend to want to address. But regardless, the price action that was expected did end up happening for the day, eventually taking out this level of liquidity, this level of liquidity, this level of liquidity, all the way up to this level of liquidity. So price, if you see here, for instance, if I would have been able to enter a trade, let's say I would have entered a trade around this, once this level of liquidity was taken, that's at 69.94. Price went all the way up to 70.15. So we're talking 21 points. That would have been an amazing trade, very profitable. But unfortunately, at the end of the day, I did not take that trade. So the key takeaway of this of these videos and this analysis is trying to identify the bias for the day.